Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourself productive. So feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about the DHCP. DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is used to assign the IP address to the host automatically. This is the configuration of DHCP. First we create the pool. From there the host gets the IP address. This is the topology. In this topology we have to create this router as DHCP server and this router as DHCP server for this network and this for this network. So take the two routers. Two switches. Two PC. And two here. So first we have to do the IP addressing. Give the IP address to each interface of the router. Subnet mask. We are not assigning the IP address to the PC because PC gets the IP address from DHCP server. Now we create the static route on router 1 and router 2. Then next hop. Same in router 2. Then we configure the DHCP on router 1 for this network, and for this network we have to create DHCP server on router 2. So first we create the pool of DHCP. From there these two PC gets IP. Pool name, any name, then network, then subnet mask, then default router. Default router is this and this interface. Now this PC gets IP from this DHCP server. DHCP. DHCP request successful and this PC gets the IP address, and this also gets the IP address from DHCP. Successful. Same in router 2 in configuration mode. Will be network 172.168.20.0, then subnet mask, then default router, this interface. Now these PC also get the IP from DHCP server. Now all the PC gets the IP from DHCP server. Thank you.